Righto guys, I'm here packing for Switzerland. Another year has turned. This year I'm going with the Lone Rider gear, camel pack, and this little thing, SW Motec Pro, totally waterproof when it pisses rain, and so is this. But this year, I normally have this on all my bikes. This year I haven't got it on. This is Eazi-Grip, and what it does is it sticks on to the panel. Wrong one. Sticks on to the panel, wrong place, like that, and allows you ultimate grip. So when you're hanging off the side of the bike, picture, or standing up, picture, off-road, you've got ultimate grip. Richard's going to fit some of this to his M because he did his first track day the other day, thoroughly enjoyed himself, nearly killed himself, but thoroughly enjoyed himself, so he's going to put those on his bike. So today, this is Eazi-Grip. Have a link. Keep saying have a look in the website. This stuff is awesome. Once this is on, it doesn't come off. Well, it does come off and it needs a heat gun to come off, but it's grippy as hell. You can literally fully lean off the edge of the bike and get so much grip here. A bit like riding a horse where you grip on, if you're familiar with riding a horse. It makes all the difference. It's really nice. It's silicone rubber. This is the Pro version. There's a few different versions. This is only 50 quid for a sticker there, and a sticker somewhere else, and stickers on this side. This is a really soft material. It's so grippy. It really is. Really worth doing. I'm going to show you now how to put it on and what to do, what the process to go through. Check it out. But check out their website. We don't stock it. There you go. That's it for now. Keep watching. Okay, so what I like to do, or sorry, not what I like to do, what I like to use is this panel wipe. We use it for everything. If you're sticking on a Chiggy camera, use panel wipe. The thing is never coming off. Little spray. This just takes off any grease, any shit, and you can almost feel it. It's back to normal. Don't go over the panel, but just get it on where you're going to stick. Then what I like to do is, you see these bits of masking tape lurking here. I like to line it up exactly. You see the contour there? But when you go to put it on, you only really get one go at it. Well, you don't, but you can pull it off. But every time you pull it off, you're going to risk it not being sticky. So what I do is stick a bit of masking tape along the line. I want the top piece to take. That was pretty crap, wasn't it? Which is there. And along the line, I want the bottom piece to take. And across here, which is pretty easy because it's right on the contour. Screwed that up. I don't think I need that. When I go to fit, I'm going to offer that up at the top and there. I don't want it rolling over the edges because they'll peel back. So you've got to get it smack on. So, in fact, it's just gone on the deck. What I am going to do is run a bit of tape along that contour line, so it's clearly visible to me, and then try again. You don't want that being in the wrong place, so it'll lift off after you've stuck it. There we go. So you're good to go. And now you've been fingerprinting it all over the place, just give it a quick wipe. Now, what they say is, I've done this a few times now, so I've had 5 of these damn bikes in 3 years. So just have another quick practice. What they say is peel the backing off from the back. What they say is peel the backing off from the back. Easier said than done. Get it going. So look, don't stick your fingers on there. Hold it like that. Line her up like that. You're using the back side there and there. You should be okay. Should work. And then roll it back. Okay. Going backwards, pulling the sticky off, not touching the panel. Pushing all the air out of it as you go. That is awesome. No bubbles, no nothing. Make sure it hasn't gone over as you'll just peel it off. It's in the perfect spot. Next panel. So the next panel is the little one. So I'm struggling to find out which way it goes around. Is this panel here, which is sticking on like that. Now, I don't think even I can fuck that up. So again, panel wipe, or the adhesive cloth, alcohol wipe they give you. Give it a bit of a gap of 2mm, peel it off. There goes one, hit the deck. Tell you what, the peeling off is the biggest pain in the arse. I guess you don't want it to, I'm going to go for this in one go. There we go. Beautiful. The smaller ones, you're not going to really trap air. Next one. Excellent product. I've tried them all. These are the best. 50 quid-ish for this bike. Honestly, when you're off-road and you're standing up and your legs are gripped into there, you will not regret that. Anyway, now I can throw it all away. It does come with a little bit of isotol, alcohol, whatever you want to call it. So use it. You don't need to buy one of these. Anyway, I'm off to Switzerland now. I'm literally leaving in an hour to head down to my stopover at Folkestone, because I don't want to do 2.5 hours and 7 hours. So yeah, I'm taking the Eazi-Grip this year. Check the video next week for the Swiss tour. These are for the Swiss bends. Grippy, grippy. Stick around, hang on and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.